All right, you're all welcome. You're all welcome. You're all welcome. Today we are looking at how to trade trade the market, trade the financial market, trade Forex with our mobile devices. All right. So now I'm not going to show you how to download the app because obviously that can be done once you connect. You go to your Play Store. You can always do that. All right. So I'm not going to show you how to do that. I'll just go straight to using the platform itself. All right, that's what I'm going to do. So we'll assume that you have downloaded the app. All you need to do, okay, let me just show you briefly. You go to your Play Store. Here is my Play Store. Sorry, let me just, okay. So here's my Play Store. You type MT5. You can see the app here, MT5, or you say MT4, anyone. Click on it, click on MT4. You can see MT4 MetaTrader 4 Forex trading. This is you. I've already downloaded it, so I don't need to download again. Here, they're saying I should update. All right. Or you say MT5 and then you search for it. Look at it, MT5 Forex stocks. I've already downloaded it, so they're asking me to update. All right. So that's how you just download. Once you download it, you have it in your device. Okay. Once you do that, you then go straight to making use of it. So I want to click on it. This is where I have it. So we'll start with MT4. Now it's going to open like this with nothing. The reason is because there is no account yet. I've not set any account. So I want to set an account. How do I set an account? This is how I set an account. Here you have, look at it, log into existing account or open demo account. Now, remember the last time we had training on how to open a demo account, and we made use of the FXTM broker, the brokerage firm FXTM, and we use that to learn how to open a demo account. Now, let's assume that we have that demo account, that existing demo account. If you have it, all you need to do is to click on Get Started, all right? You click on Get Started. Hold on, let me bring in some persons in. People are waiting room. Let me just admit them, then we'll go back. That's the difference between using laptop and using phone. Okay, so we'll go to Get Started. Once you click on Get Started, you have account here. You have that plus sign there. That plus sign is the sign for adding a new account. So you click on it. You can see what we have here now. Open a demo account and then open, log into an existing account. So assuming that you had an existing account with any broker at all, you click on login. Once you click on login, you can now find your broker, type the name of your broker. Once it appears, you log in. All right. But assuming you don't have any broker, you just click on open a demo account. Excuse me, let me check if there are people that I need to admit. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, so you click on open a demo account. What's going on now? All right. So open a demo account. All we can do is say, I can't find, we can just use Meta Quotes Demo. This is the demo account for MetaTrader itself, all right, without any affiliate to any brokerage firm. So you can click on this and then you put in your details and you say create an account. I'll take it again. Just hold on, I'll take it again. Let me admit new people. People are coming in, so I need to admit them. Now, if you have a broker account already, if you have an existing account, either live account or demo account, all you need to do is to click on log into existing accounts. Then you type the name of your broker here, where you have find broker. Type the name of your broker. And then once it opens, you put in your details, your login details and your password. That's what you do. Now, if you don't have an existing account, you don't have any demo account, or you want to open a new demo account, what do? You say you use Meta Quotes Demo. Use Meta Quotes Demo. Click on Meta Quotes Demo. And then, okay, no. In this case, I want to log in. So I want to open a new account. So I go back to open a new account, a demo account. So I use Meta Quotes Demo and I fill in my details, okay? So name, let me say God's Power. Then phone number, anything, it's not compulsory. Just type anything. Email address too, just type anything. That's because this one is just for practice, all right? But if you're using a real broker, you need to put in correct details. Why am I doing this? I just want to show you how to use your phone to trade, all right? Even if you don't have any account with any broker, you can use your phone to practice all the strategies that we'll be learning henceforth. We've learned one strategy. I hope that next week I'll have time to teach you another strategy next week. Okay, so all those strategies, you can now start learning them using your phone. Okay, so in case you don't have a laptop now, you can use your phone to practice. That's the essence of this lecture tonight. So let's follow it the way I'm going about now. These details are not you must, for this particular Meta Quotes Demo, you mustn't put correct details. You must not. But if you want to go ahead with the correct, it's also fine. All right. So account type, Forex USD, leverage 1:100. You can change your leverage. Okay, the highest leverage 1:100. Okay, then the account, this thing, I like to use minimum of 10,000. So let's use 10,000 to start with. All right, then you say create account. Okay, incorrect email address. So let's say at yahoo.com, and then we say create. Good, that's created. Account name, God's Power. Account type, Forex USD. Leverage 1:100. Deposit $10,000. Login details, password, investor's password. I think I taught you what investor's password is. I think I did that. Investor's password is password that you give to an investor. All right. To always check if the person is trading for you. The person can use the investor's password to log in to check trading history and all that, to see if you're doing well or you're losing, and then the person will check it to see if the person wants to bail out and say, no, I don't need to trade from you again. You're not doing well. You know, that's the password the person will use to check the trading history and see live trade. But the person cannot alter the trade. The person cannot close the trade. The person cannot place any trade, just to view what you're doing. That's what the investor's password is all about. Once you're done with this, you say done. Click on done. Then this page will appear. This one, you see different assets, the major assets. You can see major assets here. So let me check if I have other people waiting for me. Only one person. Samuel, your network is giving you issues. You keep coming and going. All right. So let's have Euro USD, the first one. You have open charts. Click on open charts. You see the page now. It has shown. These are your candles. This 15 minutes time frame. You want to enlarge this, you can just put your two fingers down on the screen and then drag. You see that it has enlarged. Drag. You keep enlarging like that. Want to reduce, you minimize, you drag, you bring your hand close, it will minimize. Then if you want to expand, you expand it like this, it will open. All right, good. So this is how it's done. All right, now you've opened a new account. How do you know you've opened a new account? You can see it there, manage account, you see there. Now you have your trades. If you take any trade, it will appear here. Any trade you place, it will appear here. Let's assume that we take a random trade. Let's assume we take a random. How do I take a trade? See this plus sign here. See this plus sign. You have cross, you have X, you have several symbols, and you have dollar sign. The next one is the plus sign that inside like a book, something like that. Click on it. It will show you how you can execute trade. So before we go to this one, let's just look at all the pairs. So you have right here at the down left corner of the screen, the screen, you have arrows, you know, and then you have, if you click on the first one, it will show you the different codes, different assets. Assuming you don't, the one you want to trade is not here. You click on this plus sign up here, and then you see Forex. Click on Forex, you see several Forex pairs that you can use. Gold is here and all that. Then these are other pairs too that are here. All right, so you can now add them. Let's say you want to add gold. You click on gold. Once you click on it, to appear on your watch list appeared. See, gold has appeared. You want to add silver. You click on this plus sign, go to Forex, scroll down, you see silver, click on it. Go back, you see silver is here now, all right? So that's how you put in. If you want to remove some pairs, here, like I want to remove Euro NZD and Euro CAD and Euro CHF, I click on this pen. I click on this pen symbol. Then I click on my delete symbol. After plus is delete. I click on delete symbol. I scroll down to the one I want to delete. I want to delete AUD NZD, AUD CAD, AUD CH. I want to remove those ones. So once I highlight them, I go to my delete symbol and I trash it. So it's gone. So these are the symbols that are here now. Go back. All right. Now that's for the first one. The first one is your quotes, where you have the watch list, or the assets you want to be trading. All right. Then the next one is the chart, where you can place your chart. Hold on, let me see if there are other people waiting at the waiting room. Just hold on. Okay, everybody's here now. One more person. Okay. So I will pause here so that I won't take it, though I'm recording it, but I'll just pause and then ask question. I'll pause and ask you so that I'll be sure that you're following. All right. So if you're following, a lot of response, a lot of comments here. Please, I can't hear anything. Can't you hear me? Please, someone said she cannot hear me. Can you hear me? Guys, can you hear me? If you can hear me, please indicate. All right. Just let me know. Use the comment, the chat box, and let me know, please, if you can hear me. Can you hear me? Okay, yes. Okay, good. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now, the next thing is what we've done so far, how to open a new account using the MT4 platform with your phone. Have you understood that process? Have you understood? If you've understood that process, say yes. If you haven't understood it, say no, so that I can go back again. Have you understood the process of opening a new account? Infinix said yes. Oluwafemi said yes. Who has issues? Who does not understand how to open a new account? Okay, everybody can open a new account. Good. The next thing, do you know? Not too clear, sir. Okay, I'll take it again. For the sake of, if you're just joining, don't need to bother yourself. If you're just joining, then that means no, I'm just joining. Okay, hold on. You're just joining. So when you watch the video again, but I'll just take it one more time. Just for your sake. I'll take it one more time. I'll take it one more time. Okay, let me take it one more time. Now, if you want to, after opening, I told us how to download it. Go to your Google Play Store or your Apple store, and then you type MT4 or you type MT5. It will appear. You download it. Once you download it to your phone, you go to your desktop, your phone desktop, or your app list. You click on MT4. We're starting with MT4. We'll do MT5 very soon. Click on MT4. Once it opens, a lot of times it's blank. because there's no account. So what do? You see these three lines here up, the top left corner, all right, top left corner. You click on it, you see manage accounts. Right now, I've opened a new account. That's why you see my name there, God's Power, and the account number. Assuming I want to put a new account, I don't want to use this one. I'll click on manage account and see this plus sign at the top right corner, After the shield sign, you see plus sign. To click on it, you now see open a demo account or log into an existing account. When they say open a demo account, you can decide to open a fresh demo account with any broker that you know, or you can use the the MetaTrader demo account. That's this MT4 demo account. You can use the MT4 demo account. Or if you have an existing account, either existing demo account or existing, what do you call it? Live account, then you go to log into an existing account. Those are the two ways you can get an account. Then once you're done with it and your network is okay, it will open, show you the new account you've opened. And then here, the first symbol here is what we call the quotes. The first symbol here is the quotes symbol, where the quote list, where you have all your assets. Now, if you want to add more assets, I told you how to add more assets. The add more assets, you use this plus sign, click on the plus sign, go to each of the folders, and anyone you click here will appear there. Right now, AUD card is not there. So if I click on it, it will live here and then it will appear here. See AUD card here now. I want to take it off. I click on this pen sign up here, right corner. I click on it and I scroll to it. I go to delete. See that thing that looks like a bin, like a bucket that has a cover. After the plus sign, you click on it, that's for delete. Then you scroll to the asset you want to delete and you click on it. Once you highlight it, go to that same bucket that has a cover, click on it, and then the asset will go. So that's how you add and remove assets, all right? That's how you add and remove assets. Okay, the next thing you do, once you go back, the next button after the quotes room, the next one is the chat room, where you have your charts. That's where you have the price, the candlesticks, and all that, okay, appearing. So this place, you can change your time. How do you change time frame? Just click on the reason you see M1. What is 1 minute time frame? This is 5 minutes time frame. I can change it to 15 minutes time frame. I can change it to 30 minutes time frame. I can change it to 1 hour time frame, like that, different time frames, okay? All right, so that's how you change time frame. Then the next one after the charts, where you have your charts, is where you have your trades. Like if you put a trade, it will show you your balance, equity, and free margin. Trade will start running here. Let's take a random trade and see what will happen there. Just watch. Now, I want to take a random. How do I take a trade? There are four icons at the top. 4 icons: the plus, the F, then those other ones that you have, like triangle, box, and circle, and then the dollar sign. The next one is one small plus inside a book, sort of like a page. Click on that one. This is where you take a trade. All right. Now, either you buy or you sell. You can check down. You see sell and buy. Now, on top of it, you see instant execution. If you click on that instant execution, you see different limit orders: buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. That's pending orders. All right. Now, you have minus 0.1, minus 0.01, and then 1.00. That 1.00 means one lot size. Now, if you use the plus sign, it will increase it. That it is increasing. If I click on the 0.01, it will be increasing. If I click here, it will increase. Then if I go this way, it will reduce. And it's reducing. It's reducing. That's how you reduce. Now, you can also type. You can just click on it, delete, and type. You can type. I say, okay, I want to use 2 lots, 0.00. Then I can start to say either buy or sell. Either buy or sell. Once it say Sell, for instance, let's say sell, for instance. Can you see what it's showing here? It has shown that trade has been activated. Right now, we are minus $6 loss. Let's go back to our chart. The second icon is the chart icon. Look at where it is now. All right, this is where we've taken a trade here. Of course, this is demo, so I'm just taking trade randomly without any form of context, okay? So if you go back there, you can see once it moves downward, because I took it, so once it moves downward now, it will not be in profit. Look at it, $2 profit, because it's going downward below my entry. So if it keeps going down, this would start increasing. If it keeps going up now, as it has gone up now, I'm in minus, all right? My balance is still the same. My equity has changed because now I'm minus $6. So if you minus it from 10,000, you have this. So it's just changing, all right? Okay, so that's about that. Now, the next box is what that shows you your history. If you've been trading throughout the day, everything you did for today will show here. If you click on this other, there are about 3 symbols here: the dollar sign, the arrow up and down, and then the one that looks like, what do you call it? Calendar. If you click on that, it will show you different days, all right, and ways you want to show. If you want to see the last week's trading, you click on this, it will show you last week's trading. You want to show last month's history, to show you last month's history, and then 3 months and then customized history, as the case may be. Okay, so let's look at today's history. Let's go back to our this thing. We are in $8 loss. I've not closed the trade yet. The trade is still running. You can see it's still running, but right now we're in $8 loss. Assuming I want this thing to get to, I want to put my, what do you call it? My stop loss and take profit. Let's say I put my stop loss below at this price level, 1.04760. What do? I come to this area here now, click on it, press and hold it, and say modify order. If I click on modify order, I can now put my stop loss. This side is stop loss, left-hand side is stop loss, right-hand side is take profit. So if I do like this, I think that thing was, so let's go back. Let me get the price again. The stop loss, I said stop loss was supposed to be 1.0476, 1.0476. So new order modify, just click on it, 1.04760, okay? Now let's go back. Look at it, see where my stop loss is. So I place my stop loss. I want to put my take profit. Let's say my take profit should be around 1.04725. Let's put it that way, 1.04725. I go back, I press it down, modify. I say take profit 1.04725. So the same, I take profit here. So if this thing moves to this level, I'll be in profit. The trade will knock me out and I'll be in profit of whatever amount. All right. So that's how you place trade and you monitor it. All right. So if this thing moves now, keeps going down and gets to my take profit level, I'll be in profit. All right. And then the thing will automatically close the trade. Right now, I'm in $28 profits. Right now, I'm in $30 profits. Moving is $30 profits. $32 profits. Or if it gets to this, my target, and hits that line, I'll be out of the trade. Good, I'm done. In case the trade is closed in my favor. Now look, I've seen that the balance has increased from $10,000 to $10,042. I've just made $42 instant profit. Now, if you come to the next box, the next icon, which is your history area, history column, you can see that my balance, I started with $10,000. I just placed a trade right now and I've made $42 just instantly, $42. So that's how you place trade. Now, don't think that you just enter and just make, it could have gone against me, but this time around it went in my favor. There was no analysis whatsoever. I didn't do any analysis. I just felt, okay, it's going to go down based on what I saw on the price. All right, that's what we call price action. So it just went in my direction. Now, those of you that will be entering the Forex intermediate course, I'll be showing you reasons for all these things. All right. So, but this just went to my, that's not actually why we are here. We are here to actually learn how to use the phone to trade, okay? So that's it. So that's basically how it is done. Now, how about indicators? How do I look at indicators? How do I look at indicators? Before I go to indicators, I need you to respond to me that you're following, all right? I want to see your responses. If you're following, you can respond to me that you're following. If you're not following, let me know so that I'll know whether I'm talking to myself or I'm talking to people. Please talk to me. Are you following? Following, okay. Aja said following. Who else is following? Who else is following? Okay, Ayodele said following. Okay, thank you very much. Who else is following again? Oh, thank you. Goodness said following. Daniel following. All right, Ajay following. Infinix following. Thank you. All right, let's go to the next one. Now, remember I taught you a strategy called riding the trend strategy. I taught you a strategy called riding the trend strategy. Now I want to put riding the trend strategy on this chart. I want to put the indicators on this chart. What do I do? What do I do? Now pay attention, pay attention. You see where I have this F here? If you click on it, that's where you can put indicators, all right? I'll go back again. After the plus sign, that plus sign is actually what we call crosshair. That's crosshair. So if you click on it, it will appear. You see the crosshair, all right? Just to show time and date, okay? Now the next one is your indicator. If you click on it, that's where you can get indicator. Now where you have this F plus, if I click on that, you see your different indicators, trend indicators, oscillators, volumes, Bill Williams, all right? Now, remember that your moving average is trend indicator. So let's go back and then change our chart to H1 chart. So we'll go to charts, we'll say H1, click on it. So this H1 chart. Now under H1, we'll go back to F, main charts. On main chart, we have moving average. You can see Bollinger Band, average directional movement index, envelopes, Shimoku. Then the next one is moving average. Click on moving average. Then you can change your settings here. Period 10 will change. Okay, let's leave it at 10. Method, shift is 0. Method is exponential. Click on exponential. Apply to close. Then style. Okay, let's use the red and we'll say done. Up here, you say done. The next one, we want to put another one. We'll click on that plus again. Moving average. Now we'll change the period to 20. 20, that's 20. Exponential apply to open. And then we'll change the color to blue. All right, we'll go up, we'll say done, up. You go back, you see it. Can you see the indicators now? Can you see the indicator? Showing what? Sell. It's still bearish. It's still selling. All right. Now, to go to our filter chart, because here you cannot put two charts at the same time. So you go to, you click again, you see D1, click on D1. The filter chart is still saying bearish because the smaller MA, which is MA10, is below the larger MA20. So at this point, this is still bearish. On your H1 is also what? Bearish. In fact, this area here, where it is a good area for a sell. Because remember, I taught you another entry model, and I said that once the candles are inside, in between the MAs, is also a way towards re-enter. So this is a perfect way of re-entry for another sell until there's a crossover or so. But for now, it's a perfect way of what? Re-entry. So that's how you put your chart, your indicator on your chart. If you want to draw using your symbols, see that after the F is your symbols. You have line, horizontal line, vertical line, slant, that's your trend line, and other lines you can use. Now, let's say I want to use my horizontal line. Where do I put it? Let's say I want to put it here. This high, you can see it there. I can hold it, move it anywhere I want. And see. I can also change the color of my, I can change the color. If I want to change color, as I double click it, it will appear up there. I go to that pen. I click on pen there. I can change the color to black or let's say green. Let me change it to green. I say done. That's changed to green. Can you see? That's changed to green. So if you double click it, you can move it around. Yeah, you can move it around. Let me move it around. You can move it around. Once you double click and it highlights, you can always move it around. Double click and it's gone. Okay, so that's how you use that. If you go, I want to put maybe another object that is not here. Click on plus sign, then different objects will appear. All right. Want to use your rectangle? Click on rectangle. Draw rectangle anywhere I want to draw. Look at it. And draw it anywhere I want to draw it. Good. Now I want to change the color. I go there and I want to fill. Watch this. Just watch what is going to happen now. You can see I've changed the color to this. So this is how you just play with your MT4. Now, for someone that wants to go into a business, you need to study that business. Now, I'm trying my best to communicate all this to you. Now, you cannot get to this level of expertise if you don't practice on your own. You have to keep playing with, fiddling with all these. Just fiddle with them the way you want, all right? Just play with them. Or any symbol you see here, play with it. You know, that's what you keep doing until you master all of them, all right? And then I'm always available at your beck and call. Chat me up, call me, I'll respond to you. Whatever difficulty you have, you know, I'll be there to respond to you. So if you want to take off this thing now, go back to that this thing, then you click on delete. I want to take off the two of them. I click on delete and they are all off. It's no more there. Can you see? It's gone. So that's how you make use of your indicator. You can put your relative strength index or your Bollinger Band or your MACD. Let's go to MACD. MACD is under oscillator. So this MACD, click on MACD. Don't touch anything, just say okay. Go back. Can you see MACD that's appeared here? Let's actually want to make this line thicker. All right, I want to make the line thicker. Go back to that F. There's the MACD. Then you can change the colors. Let's change it to dark. The pixel, make it 3 so that it will be thicker. Let's make it 4 and say done. Watch. Can you see it has changed? That's changed. All this while this is bearish, this one bullish. All right. So this is how you put your indicator on the chart. Let's take off this indicator. Go back to F. Click on your delete button. That's your recycle bin. Then click on MACD, and it's off. Look at it. It's gone. I want to put RSI. I go to main charts. RSI is also oscillator. That's relative strength index. Click on it and say okay. And it's there. All right. I want to change it. I want to work on it, change the color or something. Click on it. Let's make it thicker. Let's make it thicker. Say okay. So the line is thicker now. You can see it clearer. So that's how you basically work on it. All right. So this is it. All right. So you can do it anyhow. So let's delete it. Go back to your F. Click on your recycle bin. Click delete. Let's take off everything. And then we're back to plain chat. All right. So that's how it's done. That's how it is done. Okay. So I think I've basically covered the main thing. Now, if you put a trade, let's say you place a trade. All right. Let's say you place a trade and you want to let's say you place a trade and you want to reduce your risk. For instance, you want to reduce your risk. Now it's going against you. Now you want to reduce your risk. All right, you want to cut it off. So I don't assume more. I want to take off one from these two. I bought it with 2 lots. I want to take off one and leave one. I hold the press it down. I say close order, and then I go. I type. See that, please. You have to. I change it to 1. I change it to 1.00. So once I say close, $10 is gone. What is left now is $1, all right? $1 is left. So that's how you take partials. That's how you reduce your risk or something. Now, if you go back to our history, I deposited $10,000. I made $42, and then I've lost $10 by that halving I did. Remember? So that's how it's done. I want to cut off this. I want to end this trade completely. I press it again, hold it. I say close order, and I say close, and that's it. Go back to my history. I'm now $17 in profits. I've lost $25. I made $42, so balance is $17. So that is it. So what other thing again? You can just fiddle with it, and then if you have any question, basically you ask me. So let's go straight to MT5. But for now, let me ask you any question? Any question? Okay. Any question? Please, how do you set your resistance and support? Resistance and support. When you say resistance and support, what do you mean by resistance and support? How do you set it? Is it with, do you want to use your line, or you want to use trend line you want to use, or you want to use rectangles? I don't know. If it's when we get to MT5, I'll show you. I'll show you if it's trend line you want to use, or you want to use a box. I don't know. Okay. All right. So understood. Okay. So let's go to MT5. Let's go to MT5. So for MT5, this is my MT5. I click on it. Now, the way you do it, you go to your Play Store, type MT5, download it to show you the MT5 icon, you download it. Now, for now, it's clear there is no, what do you call it? No account here. So I want to get started and get a new account. I click on it and click on that plus up here now to add an account. So I have, you can find your broker, or you just go to Method Codes Software Corporation. I click on that and then put in your details, okay? Put in your details. Now I don't have any details with them, so I just open a new account. Open, all right? So name again, who got Spa. Second name, variable. Phone number, just put anything, it's not necessary. Email at yahoo.com. Then use hedge trading, is it necessary? Leverage 1:200, let's see, 1:500. Okay, accept, and then register. Incorrect phone number. Let's put the plus 234. Okay, I hope this works. Okay, all right, so this is done. So I have a $10,000 account, demo account. Now I can go and go to trades. See my quotes. If you click on quotes, see the assets here. You can decide to add new. You have Forex, metals, and the Rex. See metals, see indices. All right. I like to trade indices, especially at night. I like to trade them. US 500, NASDAQ 100, and Dow Jones 30. Dow Jones is not here. Okay, so I have the other two. Go back, you can see them here. If I want to delete anyone here now, which one do I not want here? I don't want this USD SEK. I don't want that. So I go to my the pen icon, and that deletes. I go here, click on it, and I say delete, and it's off. Okay, so that's about that. Okay, so there's one beautiful thing about MT5 that I like over MT4. Now, watch this. Let's go to chart. Do you see something? Okay, hold on first. Hold on. Okay, I want to let me increase it. Good. Watch this. See that for this is just one asset. I want to put another asset, for instance. Let me put GBP USD. I want to put GBP USD. So I go to my quotes. Okay, sorry. On this chart now, I just click on the screen. You see this before M1 and M5, there is a rectangular box. You know, two rectangular boxes. Click on it. You will see new window. Click on new window. Now, below this one now, change the pair you want. Click, go to quotes and scroll to another pair you want. Now, let me put GBP USD. Now, see what has happened. Up here is GBP USD. Down here is Euro USD. You see the beauty of MT5. It can show you two charts at the same time. So let's say you're trading correlated pairs. I want to see which one is the weaker pair and which one is the stronger pair. You can use this to, help you. All right. You can look at the two of them. Maybe one is selling, one is buying. Well, the two are buying at the same time, and you want them to work flow in tandem before you take your trade. You can just do it. And then another thing again about the MT5 that I like is that if you check, you have the plus sign after 3 horizontal lines, which shows you your menu. Once you go out of that, you have the plus sign. That plus sign there is this crosshair. You can move it around anywhere. Then the next one is if you want to add indicator to the chart. All right. Then the next one is your time frame. See the different time frames here. You can just click on any of them. Instead of doing here, you can just click on that one and it will change time frame for you. Okay. Then after that, the next thing that I like about it is you can just place your instant execution just immediately. Look at it. Limit order and you edit it. The next thing is your buy and sell button. And then you can put your order here, change it to 1 lot size, 2 lot size, and the rest. So instead of going to a page where you will not see the charts, as you are now on the chart, you can see it and quickly place your execution. Very beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love it. All right. The same thing here. I can click here and I just change the order, and then I can decide to say I want to sell it. What did I do? Did I place buy or sell? I wanted to sell it. Let me delete it. Let me delete the order. Close. All right. So that's how it is. Just very easy. And then see this thing that is here. I can remove. This is your trade history. You can remove it. How do you do it? Go to your setting. And then scroll down. Advanced. Where is that? Sorry, hold on. Okay. Trade history. Take it off. And then that thing is gone. Trading history is gone. All right. So it's easier to operate the MT5 than the MT4, especially with the phone. Very, very easy. I can just place my trade immediately without going back. Let me show you the other MT4. Just see the other MT4. See the difference. MT4. Here you cannot change. Here you can see you cannot change that thing. You cannot divide your screen into 2. And the buttons, there's no buy and sell button that I can click. You cannot. It's not like that here. But for the MT5, you can see that it's just very, very sweet. Lovely. I love it. Sweet. Buy and sell buttons are here. Your time frame buttons are up there. You can do different things with this compared to that one. All right. But indicators are still, this is your indicator list. You click on this one, you see different indicators. I can add indicators on the both charts. Let me show you. Let's say moving average, 10 versus 20, let's just say to simple exponential, say enter. It has shown here. I want you to show here. Click here, back to that, this thing there. Put it here, moving average. has entered there. Can you see? So you can place, as if you're operating two different screens. That's why I love MT5. All right. That's just the little difference between MT5 and MT4. Little difference. All right. So that's it basically. That's it basically. Any other thing? I think there's nothing again about it. The same way you operate MT4, same. It's just that MT5 has, a fizzy. It gives you more things to use. It makes it easier. Sort of to flow with. That's just it. The same way you take partials, the same way you stop trading, the same way you have your trades here. Then history, you can see that I have, for today, I have $6 I just made. So it has increased to $10,006, So that's just the basic. That's how it's done, right? Nothing more. Everything is basically the same thing. So whatever thing I teach you, whatever strategy I teach you, you can make use of. Like for instance, here now, your what do you call it? Your what do you call it now? Riding the trend strategy can be very sweet here, because the upside can be your filter charts, the downside can be your trading charts. Let's just show an example. Let's say we want to use GBP USD now. GBP USD is up. Let's change here to GBP USD as well. We go to quote GBP USD chart that's shown. So now let's make here our filter. Let's make the up one our filter chart and the down one our trading chart. So we'll go to up one, and then we'll put the indicator. So this one is 10 exponential close, done. The next one, let's put 20. Exponential 20 here. 20, change the distance to blue. And we say done. So it has appeared. Let's change the time frame to D1, to daily. You can see. Now let's go to this one. It's the same GBP as the down one, and let's place our indicator. So this indicator, this thing, you go there, you put your moving average. This one is exponential, and then we put another one, 20, and then we say change the color to blue, and we say done. So you can see that it has appeared. Scroll down. Let's make it H1. You can see it. Perfect. So the up one is your filter chart. The down one is your trading chart. Now on the trading chart, I want to put my MACD back to indicator. Go to MACD. MACD is oscillator, but this is MACD. Let's change this to 3. Change the color to dark. Say okay. You can see it now. Good, beautiful. See how sweet it is. So this is your trading charts. I can start to take off the buy and sell from here. Let me take it off so that I only buy and sell from the down one. So this is it. This is how you do. So I can start to sell here, put my stop loss below. All right. So if I say sell, now if I click on sell, if I say, let's say I want to use one loss, I sell. Then I put my, see how you do stop loss. Close, SL is stop loss, TP is take profit. I click on SL, see my stop loss. I go take it and put it here. I click this arrow and I say modify. That's sell. Then I want to take my do my take profit. I click on the sell again. You have close, sell, stop loss and take profit. Click on take profit. Take it down to where you want to put your take profit, for instance, and then you say modify. So you're done. So you can see your stop loss is there, take profit is there. So if you keep moving down your favor, you're in profit. All right. So let's check our trade and see. We are in $2 profit right now. All right, and $2 profit right now. So you can just leave it to the next day, because right now it's already night. I can try to close it and wait till the next day. I can leave it till the next day too. But maybe by the time I wake up the next day, it will be in profit for me. That kind of a thing. So it's beautiful to make use of it here, because you have two. You can divide your screen into two and put two different charts and monitor them. So that's why I prefer the MT. What do you call it now? The MT5 platform to MT4 platform. There is nothing else again other than that. So that's about that. So basically, we are done with everything. I've taught you how to open an account with both MT4 and MT5, new account, and also put existing account. I've taught you how to navigate the MT4 and MT5 platform, how to bring in new assets, how to place trades, how to put your stop loss, take profit, and all that. We've done all those, done everything today. If there's any other question you have, you can mix of our chat room, and then our WhatsApp platform or Telegram platform. I will answer your question, or you can even call me on phone, and I'll be there to answer you live. All right, all right. Any question? Any question? Any question? MT5 is more robust. Ayodele, yeah. MT5 is more robust, much more robust. Yes, yes. Any question? Any question? Any question? Any question? Oluwafemi, thank you, sir. I'm waiting for questions. Ask me question. Ask me question. We have 2 minutes more. 9 o'clock on the dot. We call it a night. Question. No question. Michael, thank you. You're welcome. Is it possible to close multiple positions on MT5? When you say multiple positions, now if you put multiple positions, multiple positions at the same time, you have to click them one by one, one by one, one by one. You have to close them one by one. All right? It's not something you do. There's no single button for you to close everything. But you can close them one by one. I don't know if that answers your question. Okay. If there's no other question, then we'll call it a night. Okay. Oscar, if you have any contribution, I'll just unmute you, then you talk to us, or you unmute yourself. I think you are. Is Oscar there? Okay, just ask to unmute yourself and ask your question if you want to ask. I've asked you to unmute. I want to contribute, you can contribute, please. Any contribution from anyone? Or any addition, correction? We are here to learn.
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you, sir.
Okay, I said the training was quite quite in-depth. In fact, I was able to learn a lot with MT5. I'm very much interested on the MT4 platform. So with the teachings you were able to provide for us tonight, it also opened me up to learning more on the MT5. In fact, not up until now, I never knew the MT5 platform had a way to split full screens, and it makes trading a whole lot very easy. So I think it's a good one in terms of the upgrade updates from the Metal Post platform, and overall the trading tonight was awesome. I don't think there's anything I don't think there's anything I would like to I would love to add apart from the observations I made.
All right, thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thanks for your observation and your feedback. I'm grateful. Okay, we'll call it a night. Thank you very much. Can the screen split also on PC? No. It doesn't. For PC, yes, you can. PC, both MT4 and MT5, you can split your screens. You can have multiple charts on the screen at the same time. You can have up to 8, even 16 set. You can split for PC, because PC has a bigger distance, so you can split screens on PC, both for MT4 and MT5. But for phone, it's only MT5 that can do that for phone. All right. Okay, so that's about that. Thank you very much. I had a nice time with you guys. I hope you also learned a lot. So please put them in practice. Keep practicing, and make yourself better as you keep practicing. All right. Good night. God bless you. See you guys next week. And for those of you that have registered for the intermediate course, if you've registered for it, please let me know. Message me so that I can let you know what to do next, so that we can prepare your Google class for the our first lecture will be on Sunday 9th, 8 p.m. So please make sure you contact me so that I can quickly create your own account and get you ready for the class on Sunday. It's going to be heavy. It's going to be something else. I'm telling you, you've not seen. I'm not sure you've seen it in that dimension. What you're going to see on Sunday. So please just get ready, and then we will ride on the journey of Forex. All right. Thank you very much. Have a lovely night rest. See you some other time. Goodbye.